Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling precise ingredients. 1 cup water, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Bring water and butter to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan so the butter fully melts. Add the flour all at once and stir vigorously until the mixture forms a smooth ball and pulls away from the pan. Remove from heat and let cool for 5 minutes to avoid scrambling eggs. Meanwhile, grate 1 cup sharp cheddar and 1/4 cup Parmesan. Measure 4 large eggs and preheat oven to 425 degrees F. With the dough cooled for 5 minutes, beat in 4 large eggs one at a time, fully incorporating each before adding the next so the mixture becomes glossy and smooth. Fold in 1 cup grated sharp cheddar and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan until evenly distributed. Transfer dough to a piping bag with a large round tip and pipe 1. 5-inch mounds onto a parchment-lined tray, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake at 425 degrees F for 10 minutes to set and puff. Then immediately reduce temperature to 350 degrees F and bake another 20 minutes until deeply golden. When puffs are golden and crisp, remove them from the oven and poke a small hole in the side to release steam. This keeps interiors light. For serving, split warm cheese puffs and add fillings like herbed cream cheese, smoked salmon, or a small dollop of mustard. Plain puffs are excellent too. Cool completely before storing to preserve texture. Baked puffs freeze well in an airtight container up to 2 months. Refrigerate up to 3 days. Reheat frozen puffs at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes. Or refresh refrigerated puffs for 5 minutes at 350 degrees F.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.